simplify minus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 997 raised to the power of 2. Solution. So we have minus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 997 raised to the power of 2. Now in this case, we can write this as 1 divided by, we have 3 raised to the power minus 2, we can write it as what? 1 divided by 3 raised to the power of 2. That's 3 raised to the power of minus 2. Converting this from negative index form, then ensuring that we have a positive index at the denominator. So plus 997 raised to the power of 2. So from here we have, this is going to be the same thing as what? Minus 1 divided by 1 over what? What is 3 squared? That is 9. So 1 divided by 9 plus 997 raised to the power of 2. So in this case, we can now simplify further to have this as what? 1 divided by 1 over 9 plus 997 raised to the power of 2. So we can now have this as what? I've changed the division line to division symbol. So we can have this as 1 times, changing division to multiplication, the denominator will become the numerator. 1 numerator will become the denominator. So we have 9 divided by 1. So plus 997 raised to the power of 2. So what do we have from here? This is minus, so we have 1 times 9, that is 9, divided by 1, that is 9. So we have minus 9 plus 997 raised to the power of 2. So it means that we can write this as what? 997 raised to the power of 2 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 997 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as 997 raised to the power of 2 minus 9. So in this case, we now have this to be equal to what? 997 raised to the power of 2, then minus, we can now express this 9 back as a what? As a perfect square. Because 9 is a perfect square, so we have this to be 3 square. We can now apply the algebraic identity. So recall that what? A square minus B square is the same thing as what? A plus B into what? A minus B. Now, this is our A and this is our B. So it means A is what? A is 997 and B is what? B equals to 3. A is 997 and B equals to 3. So in this case, we can now have this to be equals to what? Then we have, using the formula at the right hand side, anywhere we see A, we substitute. We substitute 997, and anywhere we see B, we substitute 3. So in this case, we now have what? 997 plus 3 into bracket what? This is the first part. Then we have into bracket 997 minus 3. Now in this case, we now have, what is 997 plus 3? 997 plus 3 will give us what? 1,000. That is 997 plus 3. Into bracket what? What do we have? 997 minus 3. That would give us 994. So 994 times 1,000 will give us what? 994,000. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.